What's up guys, it's me Geek. So the question is that I completed my BA in mechanical engineering in 2017. After that I worked as a project engineer in private firm for 3 months. Then I had left it for the preparation for the competitive exam. Now I just given my IELTS exam for Canada, which will be best advanced diploma in Canada. I'm really confused, okay? I mean, my advice will be that just do the master. Just try to do the master in industrial engineering. Simple. It was me, G Merrick. Subscribe.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي